How do folk instruments create a drone sound? Imagine walking through a quiet village where the sound of a steady hum fills the air. That's the magic of a drone in folk music. It's a continuous note or chord that stays steady in the background. This sound acts like a sonic anchor, giving the music a sense of stability and spiritual depth. Folk instruments create this drone in several ways, depending on their design and how they are played. Some stringed folk instruments have special strings called drone strings. These strings are tuned to a fixed pitch and are plucked or bowed without changing their note. The player might strum these drone strings along with other strings that play the melody. This layering makes the drone sound constant while melodies dance around it. For example, the bagpipe has drone pipes that produce a steady pitch by maintaining a constant airflow. The bagpipe player keeps the air pressure steady by squeezing the bag, which makes the drone pipes hum continuously. Wind instruments like the didgeridoo produce drones by vibrating a steady column of air inside the tube. The player uses their lips and breath to keep the air vibrating at a fixed pitch. This creates a deep, humming sound that can last as long as the player maintains the airflow. Mechanical folk instruments, such as the hurdy-gurdy, use a wheel that rubs against strings to produce a drone. The wheel turns continuously, creating a constant sound that supports the melody. Some keyboard instruments, like the harmonium, generate drones by passing air through reeds. The player presses keys or stops to hold specific notes, which then sound steadily in the background. The shruti box, a small instrument from India, uses bellows to pump air through reeds, creating a continuous drone that can be adjusted to different pitches. In spiritual music, the drone is more than just a background sound. It helps focus the mind and create a meditative atmosphere. The unchanging tone symbolizes eternity and divine presence. It provides a sonic space where melodies and rhythms can unfold, making the music feel sacred and timeless. So, folk instruments create drone sounds by using dedicated strings or parts that stay constant, employing airflow in wind instruments, or mechanical methods like wheels and bellows. These sustained sounds from the foundation of many cultural music traditions worldwide. They help connect people to their heritage and spiritual practices, making music a bridge to the divine.